Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Vechain, whose current price stands at the $0.02659 mark, and here on TradingView the market is up by 1.68%. And in this video I want to give the key scenarios that I expect to play out, basing my analysis on the Elliot waves and the Fibonacci's, and also the key areas of support and resistances, and also show you the key chart patterns that you have information on this chart. So if you're interested in such content, make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And I'll kickstart the video by giving a brief of what has been happening on this chart. Vechain from the all-time high has been seeing lower prices in this massive ABC correction, which has now taken us to around the $0.02 mark. And if I start my analysis here on the daily chart, you can see we had been trading within this channel. We managed to break out of that channel to the upside. We have continued pushing higher, managed to break above key areas of resistances, and at the key area of resistance at around the $0.03362 mark, we did not manage to break above that key area of resistance. We got rejected, and we are seeing a massive pullback to the lower side. And if I jump to the 4-hour chart for further analysis, here on the 4-hour chart you can see after making our low at around the $0.02 mark, we have been seeing higher prices in this structure to the upside, and within that movement to the upside we had also been trading within this descending channel. We managed to break out of that channel to the upside, also managed to break above a key area of resistance right here at around the $0.026 mark. We saw a retest of that key area of resistance, and we continued pushing higher, and before we got rejected at around the $0.03362 mark, we had been trading within that channel. We managed to break out of that channel to the lower side, and in that movement to the lower side we have also lost key areas of support at around the $0.029 mark, and after losing that key area of support we even saw a retest of that key area of support, and that movement has continued to unlock even lower prices. This movement to the upside, I was terming it as an Elliot wave structure here on the charts, having this as the high of that first wave. Then we saw a retracement to the lower side in the formation of a wave 2. Then we continued pushing higher in the formation of a wave 3. Then I expected to see a retracement to the lower side in the formation of a wave 4. Then continue pushing higher in the formation of a wave 5 to complete a higher Elliot wave count 1. And if I get a little bit into the details of these waves so that it can also give me the key scenarios that I expect to play out within a wave 2. A wave 2 is a corrective wave, and because of that we expect to see an ABC correction within a wave 2, and we saw that movement over here, having that as the wave A. Then we saw a wave B, and then completed the formation of a wave 2 in the formation of a wave C. Then after seeing that move, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside in the formation of a third wave, and in that movement in the formation of a third wave, I had a target area for that third wave to the upside, basing it on the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting the low of the wave 1 to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the wave 2. That gave me a target area at around the $0.031 mark, and we maximized that target area. We even overshooted that target area to the upside, and we hit a key area of resistance at around the $0.3362 mark, and after we got rejected, we are seeing a massive pullback to the lower side in what I believed was the formation of the fourth wave. And using the Fibonacci's, I had a target area here on the charts for that fourth wave to the lower side. Because a wave 4 is a retracement of the third wave, we can use the Fibonacci's to get to see a target area for that fourth wave to the lower side, connecting the low of the wave 3 to the high of the wave 3. That gave me a target area between the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.5. That is the area right there, and you can see Vechain continued to respect that. We got into our yellow target area for that fourth wave to the lower side. We maximized that target area, managed to lose that target area to the lower side, and we continued unlocking lower prices. And because this is an Elliot wave structure, we also had invalidation points here on the charts at around the $0.026 mark. So I expected if we lose that key target area and continue seeing lower prices and continue pushing to the lower side and get to around the $0.026 mark, then that move will be invalidating my Elliot wave structure, because according to the Elliot waves guidelines, a wave 4 should not retrace into the area for that first wave to the upside. So having done that, that has invalidated my Elliot wave structure here on the charts, and I need to remove this Elliot wave structure and also its target areas and start to see these move to the upside as something else. And the only way we can term this upward movement here on the chart is just an ABC correction, which was correcting that impulsive move to the lower side, which gave us a low at around the $0.02 mark. So that's the only way we can term that movement to the upside. As after seeing that high for that ABC correction, we expect a 5-wave structure to the lower side to form here on the charts, which might be giving us lower lows here on the charts. So the key scenarios that I expect to play out here on the charts, I'll be basing them on the Elliot waves, having that as the first wave to the lower side. Then I expect the formation of a wave 2, then continue pushing lower in the formation of a wave 3, see a wave 4, and then a wave 5, which might be giving us lower lows here on the Vechain chart. So it's possible that that ABC correction that we saw has not yet given us the low for Vechain, and maybe we are yet to have another lower low so that we can continue pushing high and maybe go back to an all-time high. This Elliot wave structure that I have drawn out here on the charts, we can get to see whether that first wave to the lower side has done the minimum that we expected it to do using the Fibonacci's. Having this as a massive ABC correction, then we can use the fibs connecting the low of the wave A to the high of the wave C to give us a minimum retracement area for that first wave to the lower side between the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.382 as a maximum. And you can see that Vechain has respected that. We have continued seeing lower prices and maximized that target area as the minimum retracement area in that first wave to the lower side. And whatever we might be seeing here might be the formation of a wave 2. And if we assume the low for that first wave is in, then I expect a little bit of higher prices here on the charts to form a wave 2. And the target area for that wave 2 to the upside, we can use the Fibonacci's to get to have a target area for that second wave to the upside, connecting the low of the wave 1 to the high of the wave 1 right there. And we get a target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618. And that gives me the key scenarios that I expect to play out here on the Vechain chart. It's possible that from the prices that we are trading within, it's possible that we might continue seeing higher prices and continue pushing a little bit to the upside and get into this yellow target area, which is between the $0.029 mark and the $0.028 mark, which is not too far from what we are trading. We are trading at around the $0.026 mark, so getting to around the 0.028 won't be a big deal. So it's possible we might see a bit of a pump here on the Vechain chart, get into that yellow target area, maybe even maximize it to complete the formation of a wave 2. Then once we see the formation of a wave 2, then I would expect lower prices here on the charts, and using the trend-based Fibonacci, we can then sketch out a target area for that third wave to the lower side, then continue expecting lower prices in the formation of a wave 5 to give us a lower low here on the charts. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated. Also taking a look at the indicators. Here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 46 mark, and that would mean any movement to the upside would be supported on the RSI. Also taking a look at the MACD, here on the MACD we have also printed a bullish cross, and that would mean higher prices could be coming our way. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, whether we are going to maximize our yellow target area for the formation of a wave 2, then continue pushing lower in the formation of a third wave. That's all for this video.